Got some news coming through, and this is about priority sector lending. The RBI has set out norms, and they're talking about the loan limit of 50 lakh rupees if the city's population is greater than 50 lakhs, and the loan limit of 45 lakh rupees if the city's population is anywhere between 10 and 50 lakhs. But my colleague Ankur Mishra knows more about the norms, and he's joining us on the phone line. So now we are hearing about these norms coming through for housing loans from the banking regulator. Tell us what we picked up so far about this, Ankur.
Yes, Reserve Bank of India has issued revised guidelines on priority sector lending, which will come into effect from 1st of April 2025. Now, these revised guidelines include enhancement on several loan limits and, most importantly, housing loan limits for PSL coverage. Now, what is the criteria? Higher weightage of 125% for incremental PSL credit in low credit districts is also one of the criteria which has been given. But specifically on housing loans to individual eligible PSL based on that is now linked to city population criteria. In cities where the population is greater than or equal to 50 lakhs, loan limit of rupees 50 lakhs, and that includes the dwelling cost, that should not exceed rupees 63 lakhs. Similarly, in cities with population which is greater than or equal to 10 lakhs but less than 50 lakhs, the loan limit is set at 45 lakhs and dwelling cost up to 57 lakhs. Now, one more important announcement is there where I want to draw your attention is bank loans up to rupees 35 crore for renewable energy projects are now eligible under priority sector lending. Now, this will be important with the continued focus of renewable energy of government and will also help banks because loan cover renewable energy-based power generations and public utilities like street lighting, remote village, electrification, all will come under it. For individual households, loan up to rupees 10 lakh per borrower eligible for PSL classification. Now, these new norms are, of course, aiming to boost clean energy financing through priority sector support.
Ankur, if you can quickly tell us in terms of the kind of norms that existed and the changes that are being brought in by the RBI through the norms and linking it to the population of these cities, tell us about the shift in the RBI's way of being able to have these put out as eligibility criteria.
Now, there are two aspects to it. If you see from government point of view, they are just enhancing the PSL coverage and this is done to broaden the purposes on which the loans may be classified and therefore, as I was telling you, renewable energy is now included in it. There is a linkage of population to the loans now that will be disbursed. So all in all, if you see from bank's point of view, of course, the compliance will increase. But if you see from government point of view, it is just broadening the criteria so that more and more inclusion happens. And banks are also at ease in classifying PSL because this is a necessary condition for being a bank or UCB or foreign bank in India. You have to meet the criteria of priority sector lending as per your eligible limit.
This helps us understand exactly the rationale behind what we are hearing by way of the RBI's priority sector lending norms for housing loans.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.